gift
Hi
of
guys!
grace is Jesus my Redeemer.
Later papashow ko sa
There is
inyo.
no more for heaven
Lunch.
now to give. He is my joy, my
Alis muna tayo
righteousness and
guys.
freedom, my
Bibili ako ng
steadfast love, my deep and boundless peace.
lunchbox.
To this I hold, my hope is only Jesus. For my life is wholly bound to His.
Ayun guys, kung
Oh,
gusto nyo
how
ang
strange and divine, I can sing all is one, yet not I,
this January
but through
2026,
Christ
and good health. Wish ko for you guys. And also to my family. Yan. So, bless us all. Guys.
The night is dark, but I am not forsaken. For by my side, the Savior, He will stay. I labor on in weakness and rejoicing, for in my need, His power is displayed.
So, malakas yung aircon. Paano ba ito? Ganyan lang. In-adjust ko lang yung aircon ko guys. So sige guys, balikan ko kayo later. And ayan, of course, maraming salamat po sa pag-likes, subscribe, and also follow my FB page and my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye for now.